This tutorial is going to show you how to make a square using the turtle library using Python in Trinket. So let's go ahead and name this square. And let's go ahead and go full screen. So let's go ahead and call our turtle. Once again, we always got to import it, I know. Let's go ahead and name our turtle. I'm going to name the turtle by my last name, which is Lemus. So Lemus equals turtle lowercase, turtle dot lowercase, and then turtle uppercase. I cannot spell today. And then open and close parentheses. Let's make it a kind of thicker line. So let's change the pen side for my turtle named Lemus. So it's going to be Lemus dot pen size, and we'll change the pen size to 10. And now we're going to go ahead and start drawing our turtle. Using our turtle to draw a square. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make our turtle, which is called Lemus, go forward. And let's do a square that's 100 pixels by 100 by 100. Next thing you do, we know how to set the heading. But another way you can do it is using the left and the right function that I showed you guys before. So I'm going to go ahead and use the left function because we haven't used the left. And we're going to make it go left 90 degrees. And so let's go ahead and you can see how the turtle turns to the left 90 degrees. And so let's go ahead and make him go forward 100 so you can see. Can't see. And we're going to make it go forward and once again 100 pixels. And so we should have like a 90-degree angle. And there we go. And to close our square, we want to do is we can make it go left another 90 degrees. And really, if you wanted to, you can copy and paste this code because you wanted it to do it again, right? Now, since we don't know how to do any other advanced coding using variables, I just copied and pasted it. And then do it again to close our square. You can also do a diamond, which is also a square, by altering this code. Instead of going forward 90 degrees, we can actually at the beginning make the turtle change using the set heading function to 45 degrees. So let me go ahead and do Lemus dot set heading. And at the beginning, we're going to make it go 45 degrees. And then from there, it's going to go left 90 degrees, 99 degrees. And so we should get a diamond. And we do. So that's how you can make a diamond and a square using Python. Now, you could also have changed it right and made it go right. Made it go right instead of left. And that's actually the directionality is going to help you when you make more complicated shapes. I think I got them all. Let's check it. And you see we made the diamond go right. And that's how you